my YouTube channel once again. So I am telling to you today's interesting word. You know the sound of the tion, but if any word before tion, if there is s, so what will be the sound? Which word? Like in these words, there are s before shen sound. So what will be the sound? How do we pronounce these words? Like question, suggestion, congestion. It means to say that before shen we add little sound of ch, like question, questions, suggestion, congestion, a little more sound of the ch, not cha, just little, like question, suggestion, congestion. Okay students, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.